Hey, treasure artists and families, this is Miss Faraya. I am going to give you a really quick rundown and overview of how, at least for this first week of class, April 20th through the 26th, you guys are going to be able to access your classwork for all of your electives classes for art. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to find your way to my Connect site from our Maywood site. So if you find staff and then electives, it's listed alphabetically by last name. So since I'm Varaya, I'm towards the bottom. And this is what my Connect site looks like. This is where I'm going to be posting stuff for you guys to see and access. Because this first week is going to be a little bit weird, my particular Microsoft Teams account has not been updated yet to include my trimester 3 classes. So I don't have individual classrooms for you guys just yet through Microsoft Teams, but you guys are going to have a whole group. So all of my 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade students, this little red box right here is going to have your instructions for how to enter it's called Try 3 classes team right here. And this is an access code that you guys can use, and I'll navigate to that page in just a second for you. I'll also, email these instructions to your parents too. So just a couple of things on here. I've been doing an art blog for some supplemental stuff. If you guys want to check out some additional lessons and project and sketchbook prompt ideas. I've got some posted from the last couple of weeks that we've been away from school. And then right here up at the top where the files tab is, this is a place where you can find where your classes syllabuses are. So if you're in exploratory art, those are my 6th graders for 1st and 2nd period. If you're in mixed media, it's a 7th and 8th grade combined class. And then sculpture for 4th and 5th period. You guys can access the syllabus from here. Just in case getting to the Microsoft Teams account doesn't work for you. It's something that I have been working on my end for the last couple of weeks, but with the last week being spring break, not everything has turned out exactly how I wanted it to. So I've got some other things linked up here for you guys as well, just some direct links to the syllabuses for your separate classes, and then depending which class you're in, I have some surveys that you guys can take. So that survey is going to look a little bit something like this. I would love it once you read through the syllabus. This is your acknowledgement that you have read through it. So your first name and your last name. Go ahead and check off that both you and your parent or guardian have also read the syllabus and understood it. And then as kind of a quick survey, as I'm planning out projects for the rest of our school year through this remote learning insanity, I have, a checklist right here. Just check all of the different things that you and your family may have access to in terms of art supplies. If you have other stuff, please let me know. If you have acrylic paints, oil paints, something that's maybe not on this list. I was just trying to think of some basic things. And then if there's any concerns or special circumstances you need me to know about, please just include all that there. And I'll do this, and I'll take a look at all this so we can plan all together. When it comes to Microsoft Teams, I have a tab open, so I'm just going to flip to that really quick. Your page is probably going to look a little bit different from mine just because I'm on the teacher end of it. But when you sign into your Microsoft Office account, and then click on the little Teams icon and logo, again, I've got all the instructions for that right here in this little red box on my Connect site from that you can access through the Maywood page. But you are going to click join or create a team, and right here, join a team with a code. So this is the code that I have up on my Connect site, and I will also email out to you guys as well, you and your families through Skyward. So you'll type in that code, and it will bring you to the student version of what this is going to look like. It will probably change for next week. Hopefully it will change and we will have our own individual classes, but a couple of things. I've got this general feed. This is where I will be posting some videos, introductions, and stuff. This files tab up at the very top, some class materials that I have already started on. This is another place where all of the syllabuses are for you guys, and then how to photograph your artwork from home. A lot of your submissions, if you're doing art projects, are going to have to be photographed, so you can send them to me. So this is just like a little quick tips and tricks PowerPoint that you guys can take a look at, that all of you can have access to. And then each of your individual classes, 1st through 5th period, are here. And under the Files tab here, you will have your week 1 assignments and basically your first assignment. We'll take a look here at 1st period. So read the class syllabus, give me, any information if you have any questions. There's going to be a syllabus signature and a quick little questionnaire. I just showed that to you. I'll have the welcome video finished before I put this up. Don't worry about that. And then you're going to find all of you in your individual class, your PowerPoint presentation that you will collaboratively work on. And you'll do just a quick little introduction. Oops, clicked on the wrong thing. A quick little introduction assignment. So what I have here is a space for you, which I hope will load, to introduce yourself. Not just to me, but to, your friends too. So this is my slide. I'm asking you what you prefer to be called, what your favorite subjects are. Do your best to upload a picture, and then I'm also asking you to include school appropriate, of course, meme or GIF that is kind of telltale of your current stay home, stay healthy life. So I've got a slide for each of you, depending on which class you're in, and these are specific to the different class periods. So 1st period, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. I think that's everything for this week. Again, it will probably change when I get my individual classes uploaded, but this is where you can find and access all of our information for this week. The instructions are here on my Connect site, and they're also going to be emailed to your parents.